Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a nighttime routine video. Today is Tuesday, so Clark goes and plays basketball till about 10 or 9:30. So I have the evening to myself. I have just put Jax to sleep and I'm just going to show you what I do by myself. Who out there enjoys just like being alone? I'm going to take you along with me cleaning up, doing a little self-care, and just relaxing before I go to bed. And I think I might bake a brownie too. We'll see. Let's go. So before I put Jackson to bed, we had a bath. So my bathroom is a mess, so I'm going to quickly clean that up so I don't have to look at the scariness. Thanksgiving weekend just passed. We had tons of leftovers, so I had made this whole meal plan for the week, and then I opened the fridge and was like, oh my god, like, what is this? So we had some leftover Brussels sprouts, mashed potatoes. I had food left over from a wrap we made last week. I had chicken from my parents' Thanksgiving. It was just everything. So now I'm going to attack the dishes. Hand wash everything, fill up the iced tea, fill up the water, give this a clean. So yeah, let's just clean this up. Instead of brownies, I'm gonna do a banana bread because I got these beautiful bananas ready to be used. They're like, eat me! My recipe is from All Recipes. I find this is the most like moist and gooey banana bread. So we have bananas, baking soda, I have my handheld blender here, some sugar, flour, 2 eggs, and butter. This recipe asks for margarine, but I'm going to use butter and I'll probably be even more moist. I'm going to put this at 350. had to take a little pause because Jackson started crying, and he like scratched my eye so hard. It freaking hurts. Not bleeding, so we're okay. Speaking of Jackson and sleeping, I kind of attempted to try sleep training, but I just gave up. He goes to bed really well, maybe wakes like once or twice in the night, and I just have to either rock him or put a pacifier in, or eventually I feed him. So anyways, back to my banana bread. Okay, round 2. Okay, he cried again. I tried to like leave him there for 10 minutes. Oh, this light is terrible. Tried to leave him there for 10 minutes, but he just wouldn't stop crying, so yeah. Anybody have any advice for me? Because I'm dying. Hey guys, oh, I am like naked in the face. I just took a shower, made Clark's lunch, set the coffee. Banana bread is still in the oven, so I'm gonna wait for that. So I decided to take a shower. I feel showers are just so special to me now. I'm able to wash my hair and do all that stuff. For my face is the Weleda Skin Food Ultra Rich Cream. I love this stuff. It smells very like planty. It's super moisturizing to my face. I use Vaseline with aloe vera all over my body, and I do have stretch marks on my belly, so I find this is really good. It doesn't take it away, don't get me wrong, but it's definitely helped. So I definitely recommend Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. So I am having Tetley's Rubious Vanilla Tea. And let's use Dominique. They're ready. So guys, that is it for my evening routine chit chat hang with me video. I hope you enjoyed it. Excuse my pajama face, but I am ready for bed. I'm going to enjoy my tea and hopefully a little slice of banana bread and then head to bed. Thank you so much. Give us a subscribe, a like, a love, a comment, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!